Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a common problem that many computer users face: the issue of slow performance. Whether you're using a device for work or play, a slow computer can be incredibly frustrating. But fear not, as we got a solution that will help you speed things up in no time. Now, let's talk about the solution to this pesky problem. By clearing your cache regularly, you can remove temporary files that may be bogging down your system. These files can accumulate over time and slow down your computer's performance. So, by clearing them out, you'll free up valuable space and help your device run smoother and faster. Additionally, running a disk cleanup can also make a big difference. This tool will help you identify and remove unnecessary files in your hard drive, freeing up space and improving overall performance. It's a simple yet effective solution to the problem of a slow computer. And remember, a little maintenance can go a long way in keeping your system running smoothly. In summary, if you're dealing with a slow computer, don't despair. By regularly clearing your cache and running disk cleanups, you can give your device the boost it needs to perform at its best. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your favorite computer joke. Stay speedy, folks.